Okay, so I will tell you a quick story of how my friend lost 40 million naira opportunity. Pay attention. This is so important. You are going to learn a lot from it. Okay. Somebody chatted me some time ago. I create websites for people. So someone chatted me some time ago and he was really down, was down. So he was telling me that he lost opportunity, that he would have been 40 million naira richer. Then he lost it. How? Oh, just because he doesn't have a website. I will explain to you how it works. He he's into medical equipment product, selling medical equipment products. So he was chatting with a foreigner, somebody that wants him to supply product for him. Okay, so they have discussed everything, the price and everything. They have agreed 40 million naira. You see, now the person was almost about to talk about sending him money, but randomly asked him to send him his website. You understand? For him to study further. But unfortunately, he did not have a website. You see, he didn't have a website. And just because he did not have a website, the customer didn't buy from him again. And that was what made him rush to me to build a website for him. Okay, and I built a website. Today he has a website, but he has lost that opportunity. You know one thing about people are more about, they react to things. They are reactive, not proactive. If you want to be a good business person, you must be proactive, not reactive. Okay, if you want to make sure that you don't lose opportunities, try to put in place everything that will help you not to lose the opportunities. If you're doing business, you don't have a website, what are you doing? Get a website. I've made it easy for you now. It is now cheaper. Okay, so if you need a website, chat me. Okay, you will see details about me in the description. Okay, chat me, then I will build it quickly for you. So you own a website. You upload your product in your website, upload your services, and then add your call to action, as in your contact details, okay, so that people can call you, reach you on WhatsApp, okay, or buy your product online. So that's how a smart business person thinks. And you have to think that way as well. Have a website. Another thing is, there are people that has website, but they don't do anything to promote their website. Nobody knows their website. They just have their website and left their website fallow like that. How can you own a shop? You don't call people to come to your shop. How is that your shop going to prosper you? So the way you call people to come to your shop, your physical shop, is also the way you have to share your link, your website link to your potential customers on social media or everywhere, for them to visit your website to see what you can offer. You get it now. So that's how it works. So if you own a website, do not just stay silent. If you're a busy business person and you're not used to online stuff, employ someone. Employ somebody to help out. Okay. Some of you already have sales girls. Some business persons, they have sales girls already. Why not teach the sales girl how to use your website, how to promote your website? We have digital marketing course. I created special digital marketing course for this purpose. So if we build websites for you, we can train your office girls so that they will know how to promote your website so it will get across to people that are far away from you, and you make more money. You sell more of your product, you have more customers. And the website has a customer section where you have every customer that visits your website, you have their contact there. As long as they visit and they want to, they follow a route to order for your product, they are going to enter their details, and you capture it in your customer section, so that you can call them even if they did not buy after coming to your website. Once they saw a product they liked and they followed the process to buy it, their contact details will be captured. So that you use their contact details to call them, or you chat them, discuss with them to know why they did not buy. So that way you make more money. You sell more of your product. You have more customers. That's how to expand. That's how to grow in business. So website is so essential. Then if you want to build your website by yourself, then we also have an app we built for that. Okay, if you go to this description of this video, you're going to see the app we built for it. You can use the app to build your website. You pay for subscription, then your website will be live. You start using it to market your product, and it doesn't take you much. It doesn't take longer time to build a website with the app. You can build it quickly. Okay, so you do that, you start making money with your business. You just expand your business, export your business. It will reach so many people, instead of you depending on the few customers you have. If you depend on the few customers you have, what happens? Your business will not grow. And that's not how to grow a business. You understand me? So the point here is that to avoid any loss, to avoid losing money because of the fact that you don't have websites, a website that wouldn't cost you so much, why not have one? Upload your product in it, and then sell your product in it. Okay, we teach your office sales persons to learn how to promote your product with your website. You can also learn it yourself. Okay, that way you make lots of money online and offline. I wish you luck.